Okay, our last video for the day is science. And so you will need, hopefully you've chosen your fillers, right? For your pillow, you need a pillowcase. You need something to close that pillowcase if you don't have a zipper pillowcase. You need your 4 materials, or at least one, or just watch me and I have one filler. I'm gonna do one. And you need your book and a pencil and page 51 in your book. So we're going to do this together, okay? So, in the materials, you're going to write pillowcase, and what you're going to use. I also have a ribbon because I couldn't find my one that zips. That's kind of a zipper. A pillowcase with a zipper is like a pillow cover, and then you put the pillowcase over that. And then I'm also using I don't have stuffed animals, but I have dog toys because my dogs get BarkBox, so they get 2 stuffed toys that squeak and everything else once a month. So I have a ton of dog toys that I'm going to fill my pillowcase with. So stuffed dog toys. You, of course, will write all 4 of the fillers that you're going to try, okay? So ask a question. Our question is, which material would make the best filler for a pillow? So which material makes the best filler for a pillow? Okay, so I've got my materials and I've got my question. Which material makes the best filler for a pillow? So down here, you're going to write what your materials are that you're going to use. So you have 4 of them, and you're going to write the properties of each material. So are some of them round? Are some of them square? How's the texture? Are they rough? Are they soft? Are they hard? Are they soft? Are they smooth? Do they bend? Are they straight? Okay, depending on what you're using. And remember, for each material, you need your parents' permission to use any materials that you choose to use. You cannot just start grabbing tissues if you don't have enough tissues, or toilet paper if you don't have enough toilet paper. Don't do that. Make sure you get your parents' permission first, okay? And you don't need to go to the store for any of this. You can find things from the house. I mean, I was going to use my comfy bathrobe. So you can use that, you can use a blanket, you can use t-shirts, whatever you can find. You can use, if you have a bunch of little balls, little rubber balls or something like that, use those, tennis balls, whatever you have in your house. Use that wonderful brain that God gave you and think of different things you can use to fill a pillow to see which one works best. Okay, so I'm going to put dog toys, and my dog toys are all different, but they're all soft and they're flexible-ish. They're not totally hard, and they are smooth. Okay, just like that. But you would do it for 2, 3, and 4. I'm not going to do it for all of those. So then you're going to test your materials out to find out which one is the best filler. So turn to page 52. Now I have an old pillowcase because I'm filling mine with dog toys. This is one, yes it is Belle. It's Belle. My daughters had Beauty and the Beast sheets when they were little girls, so that's how old this is. So here goes 1, 2. Harley is looking at me like, what are you doing with all my toys? 3, 4, 5, 6, and last one, 7. Okay. So then I'm going to get my ribbon. And I'm going to cut some off. And I'm going to tie it shut. Yes, Harley, I'm sorry. You'll get your toys in a little bit. He's looking at me like, what are you doing? Where are my toys? And he literally plays with all of them until Missy takes it away and decides she wants it. Okay, so here's my pillow filled with dog toys. Now you need to test it. So how do you test a pillow? You lay your head on it. Ready? Well, it's soft. I wouldn't sleep on it. It's kind of lumpy. But it's soft. It's not hard. And it would work in a pinch, like it would work if I didn't have anything else, right? So now I'm going to record my data, okay? So my first one, I'm going to put lumpy because that's the first thing. Lumpy, soft, and it was noisy because there's crinkly things in there. Okay, lumpy, soft, noisy is what I put. You can use stuffed animals. You can use a towel. You can use sheets. You can use, I put plastic grocery bags because we all have a ton of those grocery bags, or even the cloth grocery bags. Because the groceries aren't using those bags anymore. You can't bring them in anymore to use them. So why not, right? See how that works. That would probably be really noisy, but it might be soft enough. Okay, so then after you're done testing all 4, you're going to analyze your results and look for patterns, okay? So if I were to use, you should identify one as a good filler. So, you should, I'm going to tell you what you should put on here. This isn't the answer, so don't repeat this. Don't write it again. You should identify is to tell one of the materials as a good filler. Out of your 4 fillers, which one is best? So you would write a sentence saying, I think toilet paper is best. Now, if you want to use toilet paper, here's a way to use it without ruining the toilet paper. And again, get your parents' permission, but leave the toilet paper on the rolls and just stick the rolls of toilet paper in a pillowcase and put your head on it and see how it feels. Same with paper towels. Put the paper towels that are still on the roll, put the rolls in there and see how it feels rather than taking it out. Or tissues, the ones where the tissue paper that you use to fill a bag when you're giving a gift, use that, okay? And then it says, what is your evidence? So you should tell me from the test the evidence that supports your choice for the best filler. So I would say I chose dog toys to be the best because they were soft and flexible. So that is mine. You are going to give your own. Tell me why you chose that one, okay? Now, the rest of it is something we would do with the whole class, but since we're not in class, we're not going to do the rest of it. So you're going to pick your 4 items, write your 4 items, describe your 4 items, what kind of properties your 4 items have. Make sure you look at, if you want, take your highlighter and highlight these words: shape, texture, hardness, flexibility. Okay, so you know what you're describing. What kind of shape, texture, hardness, and flexibility do your choices have? Okay, and let me know. And if you want to, you don't really need to send a picture, just kind of send the paper, right? Send that in. You don't need to send a picture of your filler, but if you want to, that's fine. I enjoy seeing pictures of you guys because I do miss you guys. So we will see you tomorrow. And I'll be sending the social studies and the religion. And have a great day. Bye.